Now we are moving ahead towards our, the factory. We have to go through this way. Okay, this time. Okay, Mr. Rakesh.
Yeah. You are right. This time. So today temperature is -2, around -2.
-2. Okay, that's why it's not too much cold as it was yesterday, right?
Yes.
Okay. So from here we'll take right.
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Hey, I'm seeing
See, small river is this side.
Yeah,
Small river. Yes. Completely freeze.
Now we are going ahead, moving. So this is a good big church here. You can see this.
This side you see church. That side.
That side church.
Oh, I will show through this side. Okay. Now you can see. Yeah.
I think we should export some snow from here to India.
Yeah.
I think we need to find a technology so we can, transfer the coldness and the snow from here to there.
And we have to also import some heat from there.
Yeah,
to here.
from there to here. And it will be, the free technology, no charge. All the investment.
But
from,
we have to
from
arrange your transporter only. That's it.
Yes, we will try. But this service, I think, shall be provided by Mr. Kumar and his company. Am I right, Mr. Rakesh Kumar?
Free of charge.
Yeah. So we are going to innovate this technology from today onwards. This is petrol pump, gas station. Here we say gas station, not petrol pump. My niece school is ahead from here, and on the same route we are going. This time we are going through the different route, another route, and this route is very good also. See, we are going just ahead, up and down, up and down. ਅਸੀਂ ਕहेंगे ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣੋਗੇ
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ
ਕरेंगे राइट
ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣੋਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣੋਗੇ
This is the funda.
Yeah, this is the funda.
Yes. You have to follow this funda.
Yeah.
Then you will get success.
Yes. See, it's a big trail. People usually come here to, make their camping. And we are reaching ahead, right. See, because it's almost we are near to Christmas. After 2 days, we are going to celebrate. We also bought Christmas tree in our home. So my niece Eva is too happy, and most probably we will make the Christmas video as well. Am I right, sir?
Yeah, if we have time then.
Yeah.
But we are not sure about that.
Yeah.
But we will try.
Yeah.
See, take that view.
Good view. happen usually here in the snow.
It's a valley view, valley
Yeah.
type.
The view is very good. See, it's a mountain and it's giving. You can enjoy. You know, virtually you can enjoy. See, lots of beautiful home. If you see, you know, मन ललच जाता है just to make this type of home. You know, ललच जाता है. Haha, everybody know it. Am I right, sir?
Yeah, you are right.
ललच जाता है.
लालच हो जाता है.
लालच हो जाता है. ओके. ज्यादा लालच भी नहीं करने का. Am I right, sir?
Yeah. Lalat is a bad thing.
Bad thing.
Bad
Yes. Once we'll have the money, we'll make the home like that, what we want. But at the moment,
Because our dream is big,
yeah,
so we do big things. So let's see.
yeah. Our dream is like we should be unicorn in coming days. Am I right, sir?
Yes. we are trying our best. And we are
have
working
nothing.
very hard.
Yeah, we have nothing at the moment, but we are trying to become unicorn.
Soon.
Yeah.
But God knows.
Yes.
We never know.
Everything is, you know, God control. So we cannot, if God bless us, and I know every day God bless us. So we should hope, and we hope.
If you want to go big, think big. Thinking is everything.
It's very important. Think positive, and be always motivated.
And motivate others.
Yes, and motivate others. And I think हम लोगों को सबके लिए helpful भी होना चाहिए. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
Always be helpful.
Be kind all the time.
Yes. Like if we need help, somebody same way somebody need our help, so we should.
And we are, if we are able, then we must help.
Yes.
Yes.
Generally, we see people help to each other.
Yes.
Am I right, sir? Yeah.
See, sometimes if we are in problem, we
Yeah.
think somebody should help.
Yeah.
Same way we have to think.
Yes.
If anybody in need, we have to.
Yeah. Help us.
Yes, we have to help them.
Ultimately, winter is winter here. This is the real picture of winter.
Winter is winter only here.
Yeah.
In India, winter is not winter. Winter
Yeah.
is summer.
Yeah. If you live once, if you start living here, then.
Then. Because here winter is very hard.
Yeah.
Minus 40
Yeah.
and lots of snow.
Yeah.
Without car or ATV, you cannot go here and there.
Yes, it's very hard.
In winter, you need all the time cars.
Yeah. We are taking right turn. Than the winter. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
road is slippery, but you know, because government or the local municipalities regularly puts salt, so easy. But when जब ये काफ़ी स्नो हो रहा हो तो उस टाइम अवॉइड करना चाहिए, क्यों सर?
It's not easy.
It's not easy, especially in snow.
It's not
No,
easy
after
even
snow.
in the summer.
Yes, after snow, when it's become
Winter,
free,
it's too
slippery.
risky.
Yeah. Just enjoy कीजिए riding virtually. Feel you are riding. आप ड्राइव कर रहे हैं और ऑफिस से, घर से अपने ऑफिस जा रहे हैं to work.
Or if you don't like work, then feel
Yes,
work to home.
yes. Again curve, sharp curve. Oh my God. Now see zigzag. No, going up and down, up and down.
All the time going up and down.
Yes.
Now going down and again
Yes.
coming.
Going down, 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 and now up, up, up. Again down.
But this place is really fantastic.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Lots of lake here.
Yeah, काफी सुंदर जगह है. See. Both side very beautiful house on the lake side. यहाँ पे-
Especially on the lake side.
Yes, especially on the lake side, because on the left, on our
People
left,
prefer to stay
Yes.
on lake side.
yes, so
Nearer to lake.
yes, यहाँ पे घर का कीमत भी काफी ज्यादा होता है लेक साइड में. अगर आप लेक साइड में if you
And
want
you
to
have
buy,
to pay more taxes.
yes, more taxes,
Property
and
taxes.
it looks beautiful.
It's expensive.
See, and it's expensive. This side is lake side.
Lake
So-
is freeze.
and this time lake is totally free. Freeze.
See, you can see white is lake.
Yeah.
See lake.
And the houses near on the bank of the lake. Beautiful houses. See, ये सब लेक के किनारे हैं. And in the summer, it looks too beautiful. Even in the winter. Am I right, sir?
Yeah.
Both side अच्छी अच्छी घर है.
In the fall it looks colorful.
Yeah. काफी सुंदर है. It's too beautiful. काफी बड़ा लेक है यहाँ पे.
It's too big.
People are just enjoying. Kids are playing in the snow. यहाँ कोई नया घर बना रहा है अभी, अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन. एंड सी, आई थिंक यू कैन बेटर सी the lake. See from here. See that one, all snow is lake.
It's too big.
Yeah. Everywhere snow. सिर्फ बर्फ 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 बर्फ.
Now you can see the small breeze. We are here. We are going to cross the lake.
See, this is the breeze, and this
side,
side the lake,
And this side,
and
huge,
this side the huge lake.
like a sea,
like
a
sea.
samundar,
Yeah. Ocean.
ocean.
Shamundar. Just feel, अपने घर से आप ऑफिस जा रहे हैं, just to work, enjoy and drive. Now we need to stop because one vehicle is ahead. Hey, it's taking turn. Wow. So this is a kind of driving here.
Yeah. Here people usually have everything.
Yeah.
Car, SUV, ATV, Snowdo, Skidoo, everything in house.
Yeah.
They do all work by themselves.
Only they have, the lack is the people.
People.
They don't have the people to work on their behalf.
They have everything except people.
Yes. But sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, because when you need to grow, you need more people. Otherwise, with few people, you cannot grow. Am I right, sir?
Yes, you are right. For economy, you need
Yes,
people.
for economy के लिए जरूरत है कि आपके पास number of peoples हों ज़्यादा, तभी आप
Group होगी.
grow करोगे. See, the China is have more number of peoples growing fast. India के पास भी काफ़ी people are growing fast. America already still now economy. क्यों sir? Am I right?
Yeah.
So we need to optimistic. See the lake and the beautiful houses.
Lake is too big. We
Yeah.
cannot cover all the park. It's too big. And not one lake. So many lakes.
Just enjoy this trip. I think we are on the halfway.
Yes.
Yeah. We are on the halfway.
We are on the midway.
Yeah, midway.
Midway of the journey.
Yeah. Oh my God, this side is also very good view.
Now you can see farming, cow farming, pig farming, agriculture. I don't know, maybe they grow some crops here or
Yeah.
grass,
See,
I don't know.
This belongs to only one person. This land, big land. It's a big chunk of land. See, in the winter they don't do any farming, but in the summer they do. आप देख सकते हैं कितनी बड़ी फार्मिंग लैंड है इनके पास. Just belongs to one person, one farm. Right, sir?
Yeah, you are right. They have so many machines, so many
Yeah.
equipments.
Yeah.
They have big tractor farm equipments.
Yeah.
They do all the farming by themselves.
Yes. Just there with family, you know, family
members.
with family members.
Only 4 or 5 people do all the works.
Just feel like you are driving the car. Hey, it's going up and down my camera. So feel you are driving.
Because everywhere, so that's why car going bumpy.
Yes.
Sometimes port.
Yeah. You bump. You mean
Not,
you
not,
jump?
not us. Not sometimes car.
Yeah.
Tire.
Yeah. See the letter box.
और बाकी आप भी गेस कर सकते हैं यहाँ क्या नहीं है.
Yeah.
You can guess anytime, anywhere. जब आप सोचते हो ये यहाँ कोई नहीं है तो पता चलता है पीछे काफी लोग रह रहे हैं.
और जब आप सोचते हो यहाँ पे काफी लोग रह रहे होंगे तो वहाँ कोई नहीं हो रहा. किलोमीटर में एक घर है, 25 किलोमीटर में 2, 100 किलोमीटर में 3.
And sometimes 1 kilometer में 50
Yes.
or 100.
Yes. Now we are nearby to our office. Come.
See this side.
Yeah.
This is not the any road or any way.
Yeah.
Pig farming.
Yeah. Pig farming.
Pig farming is a good business. People
Yeah.
do pig farming,
Yeah.
horse farming, cow farming,
Lots of people.
lots of farming, camels, some small animal, camel, rabbit, sheep. I don't know, many things.
Yeah. Goat farming, bakri. Now we are very close to town, and you can see the town. One uncle is going. I will show you again the freeze lake near our factory. So very good view from our factory office. But in the winter, it's everything is freeze, so you cannot differentiate. लेकिन अगर आप समर में देखोगे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
No need to differentiate the thing. Just see and enjoy
Yeah.
and experience.
Yes.
That's
Just
it.
feel you are going to your factory.
Yes.
ठीक है सर?
Yes.
Yeah. See the steering, so you feel you are driving. And see right.
So I
turn.
can take rest.
Yeah, you can take rest.
So I think I must switch my seat
Yeah.
from front to back.
Yeah.
Here speed limit is 50, so we have to follow that limit.
No, yes, that is must.
That is must. You
ये हम
cannot-
लोगों के लिए और दूसरों के सेफ्टी के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. left turn.
Yes.
So we are taking left turn and straight.
Yes. This one is furniture factory, very big factory.
Yeah.
600 people working here.
Factory. More than 600 people working here in this factory. More than 600. Am I right, sir?
Yeah, more than 600-700.
Yeah. See, in front of us, on the left side, just 200 meter ahead, you will see a lake. It's frozen lake. Now we are moving toward that direction. Hey, it's sleepy.
You never know what going to happen next.
Yeah. Still snowing, I think, little bit. Yeah. See on the windshield, snow is coming.
See, very big lake,
Yeah.
too big.
All the white is the lake.
We don't know, maybe 100 square kilometer or
Yeah, yeah.
1000 square kilometer.
Yeah.
It's very big lake,
Yeah. Both side.
both sides.
See the another part of the lake. Here we need to stop. It's must compulsory.
Yes.
And then
So
taking
stop.
left turn and see the parking area. We are now entering in our factory area and we just reached to our factory.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.